students, in the last part we have learned till this line and people flock to him. Now today we are going to start from this line, a considerable portion. So open your books, page number 3. And line number 11. A considerable portion of this crowd. The meaning of considerable I have given you in the last grade. Considerable, it means a lot of. Portion. Now look at the meaning of portion. Portion, it means share or part. A considerable portion of this crowd dallied. The meaning of dallied is given here in this blue line. Wasted time just hanging around before the astrologer too. So the people who gathered around that vendor, the vendor who was selling groundnuts, peanut, those people also spending lot of time around that astrologers too. The astrologer transacted. Look at the meaning of transact. Transact, it means perform or run. Transacted his business by the light of the flare. Look at the meaning of flare. Flare, it means to burn with bright unsteady flame. Transacted his business by the light of the flare which cracked and smoke up above the groundnut heap nearby. So the vendor, the peanut vendor, the groundnut vendor, he was using some kind of fire to make hot his peanuts. So there was a heap of peanuts and he was using some fire on that peanuts. And in the light of that fire, in the flame of that fire, that astrologer was adjusting his business. He was performing, running his business under the light of that fire. Half the enchantment, the meaning of enchantment is given here, magical effect or charm of the people was due to the fact that it did not have the benefit of municipal lighting. So there was not any kind of facility of municipal lighting. The place was lighted up by shops light. So there were few shops, and in those shops there was electricity, some kind of lighting, and just those lighting was the light on that road. One or two had hissing gas light, or one or two people had a gas light which used to flame by the gas, and that gas light make the sound of hissing, like hiss, this kind of sound which gas light make. That gas light one or two people were using there. Some had naked flare stuck on poles. Few people used a flare performing their business there. Some were lighted up by old cycle lamps. Few vendors, few businessmen, few workers were using old cycle lamp. In the past time, people were using a light on the cycle. That light, few people, few vendors were using to perform their business, to work there, to run their business. And one or two, like the astrologer, managed without light of their own. And there were few workers, like this astrologer, they didn't have any kind of light or lighting facility, and they were managing under the light of other people's. It was a bewildering. The meaning of bewildering is given here: confusing, baffling. Crisscross. Look at the meaning of crisscross. It means to move in crosswise pattern. It was bewildering crisscross of light, rays and moving shadows. So there were light was coming from many ways, and under the light we can see one person's many shadow, and when the people were walking there was crisscross of lighting and shadows, and that condition was very confusing, very baffling. This suits the astrologer very well, and this condition was very good for that astrologer, for the simple reason that he had not in the list. Look at the meaning of list. List, it means smallest. List, intend. Look at the meaning of intend. Intend, it means have, as, no, in, or plan. Intended to be an astrologer when he began life. So why this condition, this lighting was suitable for that astrologer? Because when he started his life, that time he couldn't think about this, that he would be an astrologer in his life. But something happened in his life, and unfortunately he had to do this work in his life, and that time he wanted that nobody see him clearly. So what is the reason behind it? We will learn ahead. When he began life, and he knew no more what was going to happen to others than he knew what was going to happen to himself next minute. So this is very important. This astrologer even doesn't know what will happen in his life on the next minute. So how could he tell other people's future? So he was a very stupid person, very fool person, but people were coming there. He was as much a stranger to the stars as were his innocent customers. So he was telling his customer that he know everything about the stars, everything about the stars movement and what happened with the movement of those stars in the life of people. But actually he didn't know anything about that. The same way as the innocent customer didn't know anything about the star's moving condition and what happened after that in the life of peoples. 8. He said things which pleased. Look at the meaning of please. Please, it means felt satisfied and astonished. Look at the meaning of astonished. Astonished, it means surprise or impress greatly. Astonished everyone that he was more a matter of study, practiced and shrewd. The meaning of shrewd is given here, good at judgment, people or clever person. So this astrologer, he didn't know anything about the stars, about the future of other people, but whatever he was telling, that because of that other people felt very satisfied, they felt pleasure. And how this was happening? Because he was a master in guesswork, and he became master by study, regular study and practice of the people's behavior. And when he talked with any person, that time he looked every smallest drawback or every smallest thing what he was trying to tell to him, and through that he was telling the future and the past of the people. All the same, it was as much as honest man's labor as any other, and he deserved the wages was carried home at the end of the day. So he was doing his work as any labor was doing there, and he was working there very hard. Therefore, he was deserved at the end of the day he should collect some money and take those money to his home. So today we are going to stop here. Rest part we will see in the next part of this lesson. So thank you very much. Have a good day to all of you.